Okay, hi guys, this is Sopnimer here and welcome to my SellersPal review video. So this is the members area, or this is the dashboard of this tool, and inside this video you will be cleared the product SellersPal. So firstly I am thanking you that you are giving your precious time to watch my SellersPal review video. So inside this video let me show you. You will be cleared each and every options inside this tool, and also you will be given big valued bonuses, like so much bonuses, huge valued bonus pack will be given to you totally free once you have just purchased the product by clicking this button, like this button, or there are two more buttons inside this page, and you can get the bonus and the whole product. Okay, so let me start with the product. Before getting into this product, let me just give you a short description about this product. So from the title you can get about the product. Okay, so this tool is all about launching your own product, selling your own product, or marketing your own product. Like you can advertise your own product inside any website. Okay, and you can use this product like to make your clientele based. You can use this product to give a new website to your clients. Okay, so you can advertise yourself inside Fiverr, inside any gig selling platform or skill selling platform, and you can earn money by giving them a new website, a premium website. So let me start with the first option. This product is little bit complex. I will do bit faster. I will try to show you the product a bit faster. So let me start with the build option, but let me show you. Let me just scroll down. That these are the frequently asked questions, and these are the training bootcamp, the tutorials, and these are the video and upload files, some random stuffs. Basically that stuffs will be given inside these 5 options also. So these 4 buttons are the blog or your video channel, community, all of the stuffs are given here, and this is a marketplace. From here you can get the orders for your website. Okay, so let me start with the build option. So inside the build option, as you can see, your previously done websites are given here. Once you have started using it, and you will be creating the websites that will be placed here. You can see your websites, and you can get the preview of your website, or you can instantly create this kind of website. Let me start with a new web page. Okay, so let me put any random name like Ron. Okay, the website page name. You can put your niche name, or you should put your niche name. Okay, like if you are doing any gym website, you can name it Get Sweat, or you can name it Burn Fat, something like that. So let me choose this gym template, and you can also change the gallery theme. Like from your gallery you can choose the template, or you can upload your own template if you want to. You can do the thing also. And as you can see, they are giving, or this software is giving me instantly this website, and everything is customizable, and the grid lines are coming, and this is totally tablet responsive and mobile phone responsive, and also obviously PC responsive, as you can see. And every options and features are given here. I don't want to just edit it. Like once you have started using it, then you can discover the features or the options. Let me just publish it or save it. For this video purpose, I want to make this don't want to make this public, or I can make it members only, or maybe public, and I am publishing it now. So once I have just click on publish, it will allow me, or it will give me a brand new website. Like let me show you. So your website has been created, and as you can see your website instantly. You can get the preview, or you can edit it instantly. I have not edited it, that's why these written stuffs are overlapped, and you can do the stuffs, rest of the stuffs. And let me now click on sales section. So inside sales section you can sell any physical products or any digital products. You can also preview them, like same kind that was given in the build section, same thing is given in the sales section. Let me show you a new product. Like I want to sell any physical product. I can click on physical product, and I can choose the physical product. For this video purpose, to make this video faster, I have already opened a thing that is named pedigree dog product, dog eating product. So you can put the product summary, you can put the product detail from here, from Amazon. If you want to do the e-commerce stuffs with Amazon affiliates, you can do the same thing with this tool very easily. And you can also upload the product images, and you can publish it instantly. And the product stuffs, or you can choose the free or fixed price or the price rate. Everything can be done very easily. Let me show you some more things. No follow index. This is SEO stuffs, metadata, and some random stuffs. So the next thing is grow, and inside grow thing or inside grow section, your all of the numerics or statistics are given here. And inside audio section, you can handle your client base, and I am doing it bit faster. I am already said to you. And this is the analytics section. So apart from this, you will be given more stuffs, but you have to go through the product. There are so many features and options inside it, and I want to show you now the bonuses and the stuffs that is given inside this review page, how you can get the product and the stuffs. So the product costs $42.95 only for the standard price, and for the commercial price you can get the product within $47.95. So inside pricing strategy, you can also apply the coupon code like the PAL early 11, or you can also get the 5% discount. But once the product has been launched and the day will be going on, the coupon codes will be disappearing from the 11 section, and then the 10 section will be disappearing, and this will be continuing, and at last the 5 will be vanished after the 16th of April. So this is the launching day, Tuesday 6th of April, 10 AM EST, that is New York time. Okay, so additionally they are giving you 30 days no satisfaction money back guarantee, or maybe I am not sure, maybe it should be 14. I will correct myself after the video. I will write here that 14 or /30 days. I don't know exact date, but exact the number of days, but must be it 14 or 30. Okay, so these are the product descriptions, and you can go through the quick features also. Let me now show you, this is my word, what I think from my heart about this product that has been written here. And these are the sales funnel. You can go through each of the sales funnel if you want to, and if you purchase any upsells of this product, you will be given more bonuses from this website. Okay, so let me show you that inside the free bonus section, you will be given my free bonus. You can ask me anything inside Make Money Online from my Facebook page, and you will be answered like inside Make Money Online niche, anything. If I don't know the answer, I will be also replying you, but then I will be replying you that I don't know, or maybe after doing some research I can get back to you. So inside the more bonus section, these are the real bonuses. The softwares, all of the softwares I have put here, or you are seeing here, or you are watching inside this video, that will be given to you. For some of the softwares I have also put some descriptions, some short descriptions. And let me show you that the surprising thing comes here, that after 50 bonuses I have put here 300 plus bonuses as mega bonus, because that will be very boring to watch each of the bonuses like gradually or one by one 350 bonuses. That is why I have put a mega bonus pack. Inside 300 plus bonuses, you will be given image pack, music pack, the softwares, automated softwares, and also most probably the best bonuses I am giving you inside this earth. So 350 bonuses will be given to you totally free. Once you have just purchased the product, then you can click this sky blue button to access my affiliate bonus. So that was the overview of this tool, and that was the bonuses overview. So I'm signing out for the video. I'm wrapping up the video. So bye bye.